up, Griffin family ballin'? Checking in with another video.
Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in.
What's up, Griffin family ballin'?
A man can become successful without a wife and family, but all the real joy is taken out of it. Take care of your wife and children as your greatest possession.
I gotta elevate.
Golly!
What is you doing
I
down
saw that
there?
shit. Hey, I was gonna take a picture of it, man. They got your shit. Let me park. Let me park. Let me park.
Guess you wanna know something. You wanna know, huh, Nick? You wanna close the door? You can leave your purse in there if you want. You like, you got your money in there, huh, Nick? Won't you can put your strap on. Oh, I could have adjusted it for you. Yeah, here, hold this. Let me adjust it for you. You hold this.
Yeah, that's so long. Wait, I didn't know you know how to listening that?
It's adjustable.
Oh.
Now, how is that? That's good? Okay.
I got to stay on my game. I'm trapped 24/7. I got to stay on my aim. They say keep it real, but I say I've been.
Y'all make sure y'all come out and support Spoon.
I'm on my nigga leadership.
She having that, you'll say, y'all plus we got the host of Love and we got the Tommy from Love and Hip Hop. Coming out there, Kington out there in Urban Texas.
Oh, yeah?
Come out there and you say, got a host of Florida.
Oh, cool. Okay. So y'all heard it. Tommy gonna be coming out. Love and Hip Hop. Once again, like those Spoon barbecue, y'all go support it. We all over the place. Call that number and you'll know what location. Food is really good. Support my boy and his family. Yeah, because I don't got no cash. Yeah, I only got cards. Get your $2 out. It's gonna be $2. Get it out.
Nocturnal, always showing up for these Fort Worth spots. Usually when I see that box Chevy, I always see the rest of Nocturnal coming out. I'm not sure if my man is the president or not, but I know These got the big forges on them. Off-road forges. Cummins sitting up high. Some of these cars I know y'all seen already before, but oh, I didn't know dude was part nocturnal. I didn't ever pay no attention to that. Probably had looked at when my mom and them came down here and was in Dallas. He had all of this done to it. He had quite a few things done to it. The air ride and stuff he showed us in an older video. The truck there, we seen that at another car show too. He had those Lambo doors and his rims. He had them really detailed. I remember that. Interior. Yeah, and that's his handle there. See if I can get the glare out. Helsing Cat dash 707 underscore 707. Yeah, this is the trunk. That thing lit up. Air tank in the middle of the subwoofer. Real nice setup. Oh, United States Navy. Sit here and talk shit talk with him. So we didn't really get into this truck. We've seen it, but we didn't really get into it. Couple big boys on it. Not showing on the back of it. Got the lights in the doors with the subwoofer and the door panel. Everything painted up. Purple Alcantara in the middle of the gator print. Yeah, they did something with this one here. Headlining, yep. Aquaman right here. Got the big spikes coming out. Real nice. Scion. Thought it was like my boy's Hammy. But it's not. I got driving in here. You got all that alcohol and everything else. I guess you would scare the skin off or something. All that alcohol. Got the clear, that's new. I never seen that before. For the gas tank. Look at the system. Air shock pump up top. Two of them. Sundown, I know it's deep. Nice presentation, Scion. Real nice. Man, look at that tequila. That's why it's so scared. Got all that alcohol in there. Okay. Cadillac. We seen this too. I think got a nice little system in it. Two turbo stages, 22s on it, kickers, and the underglow. And 22 sitting nice under. Yeah, you see how the 22 sit up under it? You see how the 22 sit up under this? I think it's CTS5, I think. This is what you call it, got Val. I think this is what the one she got. Got the speaker. It's like 115 sound system. It's nice. Yep, this is the one she got. All right, Val. Oh, it's made where? Lansing, Grand River. Made in Lansing, Grand River. That's the exact one she got. Black, same color, everything. Got Dale over here. D-Man. With this belt, y'all know this one here. It's the one that we always see. There it go. Like them shoes, bro. What's happening, man? You alright? What's happening, man? Still got it going on. Yeah, there you got my shoes on. Big Chuck's Barbecue. Carolina Star Barbecue. They got some food out here. We're gonna walk around and see some of the food options. Of course, we gotta get our cousin Stace at Spoon's Barbecue. Y'all look at one of some of our old videos. We visited him out in what's that, Lone Star, Texas. So he's out here, all the way out here in Fort Worth. We're gonna check him out too in just a minute. All money swamp, my baby get hurt right.
I still keep my hammer in case I nail something. Alright. I still call my whore in case I miss her. Alright. I still call my red ball vanilla. Alright. Crazy. Hustle it as me.
I got the shaky hand. Damn 5 hours. Tommy. Oh, you did? Oh, Tommy. Alright. Check out all the other vendors. I don't know which way this truck going. I guess we loop around and go back this way. That's a nifty idea right there. Dave's Country Kitchen. The price, number, information for it. Something back there we didn't get, but I'll get that later. Uh-oh, catfish truck. Right. I believe so. Alright, now we're about to hit where all the copyright music is. All right.
If you grown, you know what this hit right here.
Hey, the vegan.
He just left home his hat at 23, you know?
them out. I know we B-rolling right now.
Mr. Glenn Jones. Glance from the pan, throw back. Yeah, there you go.
All of the handles for it. Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. How y'all doing? All right. How you doing? That's him on there? That's him on there. All right. See the menu. Taste of the spicy nice. Ice cream. This is where you ate at last time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Y'all see this right here? This is what she loves. Pittsburgh hot things. When we was up in Michigan, she used to have her daddy buy them and fly them out, send them out. Wait till she see it. You see it? Look at the bottom of that. By low down. See that face? See that face? Fried soup.
We got Russell Maryland from the Cowboys. We got on the Cuddy Boys here right there.
All the trophies and stuff for the show. Nice on ice. Oh, see, we got the drink right here. We got the drink right here. Hey, God's grace. Okay. Okay. No thank you right now.
Oh, see,
I don't drink. Thank you.
My bad.
Colossal sandwiches.
So I can take that post down and catch you with that shirt.
All right. They have all different fragrances. Y'all hear it? Nothing but some good stuff around here. Everybody's set up for. You don't know who to go to. You can went to everybody. You walk this dang on thing. You walk through here. The trunk is in the sun out too. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Oh, they got the Bacardi. Everybody got the drink. Boy, I mean, it fell out here. If I still drink, y'all know. Well, y'all don't know, but phone y'all. Quite a few barbecue places. I'm back there doing it. I got the jewelry. See, he fell out here trying to get something to drink. All these drink places. Jewelry. Smell good. The handle there, Mr. Smell Good Texas, designing fragrances. Sea moss product. Ice. Wow, I ain't never heard of that. There's all information for them. Molly's Jolly. Like y'all can see. Instagram, Facebook. Shrimp and grits. Soul Food Sunday. I might have to keep this in mind. This is on Arkansas. Tray. That's where you can find them at 2580 East Arkansas Lane in Arlington, Texas. Y'all go check them out 12 to 5. Soul Food Sundays. How you doing?
We do all the free certifications for mental health.
Oh, you get out y'all way.
Okay. Anything concerning mental health. How big are y'all on mental health? We do free certification, give out scholarships to become certified as a person for mental health.
Okay, I got the camera on this
That's
one.
what we do. That's
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, one second.
Set up out here, then they sell lemonade. My baby donated money because she likes the medical field. Kudos to her. And they gave her a couple of things. They gave you a straw, a Dallas Cowboy straw and a sucker. They sell lemonade, but she didn't want any because she already had purchased her pots and spoons. But yeah, It's really nice down here, you guys, but it is hot, and we gotta go to work tonight. So I gotta save that little energy. So when I get back home and take a nap, I'm gonna be sleeping good. Whew. I'm gonna give me something to eat from Stacy's when it's our turn to go out of here. And I gotta see what you wanna eat. What you think you wanna eat, sweetie? Of yesterday? Brahms? No, I don't want to go to Brahms. I'll take you to Brahms, but I don't want to go there. I want some barbecue. Yep. So that's what it is. It's hot out there. Woo. What's Jermaine over here doing?
Sitting up, these 26s. I can't tell on old school cars. Yeah, 26s. I thought it though. You doing what?
Didn't get my baby doing her little mental health thing.
Oh, I put the camera up. I thought you saw something. Yeah. LS in here. LS? The LS, right? The LS, right? Yeah.
Shit, I got a 87 drop top convertible too. I don't want none of the old motors. Everything I got a 7815, LS53. Everything I'm getting put, I put the LS53. My drop top too, put the LS53. You can't beat them, man. I couldn't beat them. I said you can't beat them. I wasn't showing them, man.
Yeah, well, the bad boys got it kicking out.
Oh man, man, I can stop this truck out there and get in that bathroom, burn rip all the way almost to the red light.
I've seen it.
This truck was flat ass.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Original stuff on here. This bad boy is 1500. Put in 1500 though. What the LS come out of?
It come out of like a 2003 Tahoe.
Oh, okay. Got the seats done, got the shaded front. White wall Sierra. I think this is the dude who did our lights. Yeah, Black Egos. This you, man? I think you did my lights on my scat. Yeah. Gray and black scat over there on on Cooper. Yeah. I got a gray and black scat that you did the lights on. This used to be black. Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I remember you. You done redid the color on it, huh? What's happening, man? You all right? Yeah, hey, it's looking good, bro. I be thinking it's an SS, man, the way it looks. I be thinking it's an SS.
They make it seem like it's an Impala.
Hey, I'm talking about that SS, that Chevrolet SS with that LS in it. That's what I be thinking it is. But you took all the badges off. Yeah. Hey, who Infinity? One of y'all? Yours?
It's in progress, man.
Hey, I don't see them like that no more, man. They either be a Vader. Oh, okay. Y'all hitting the classics? Y'all hit the classics? Yeah, I do, man. I don't see these that much, man.
If I do, I'm getting a toe down there.
Well, hey, you getting a lot of appreciation on your shit. Oh, yeah. Got that lift on there.
So let's do some talking. You see how she just think about herself, y'all? No, I'm
You were
good.
younger. When I was a baby, you were younger.
Only the ones that I look like you and you look like me. I don't know if I want to tell all my business. But you don't mind, so we can do yours. Why would you want to do that, though? So you're going to tell them once you do your video to do what? Subscribe, like, and share. And comment. And tell her what you want her to do next. I don't think they're going to be that cruel. But it's entertaining. Would you do it? You would.
What's water?
Huh?
It's water.
It's hot enough to do it, huh? I'm getting Red Bull wasted, y'all. I ain't gonna come on because I am what?
Hot.
And no, not today. I got some Red Bull. I'm hot and hungry. Hot and hungry.
Speaking of hungry, I don't know what
You said French fries.
Oh yeah. But that's not fun.
What is French fries? My best friend in the whole wide world, Nancy, Miss Ness, aka Princess Ness, aka Dr. Ness, right? Or veterinarian. One of the two, huh? Veterinarian. You tell him that you love animals. Look at, look at.
I like this convertible Benz right here. It's an AMG. I like the color to it. AMG on it. Drop top with the turbos. Okay, Marty. Let's say electrified, turbo electrified. Yeah, I like this. Surprised she ain't said nothing about it. Oh, look at the wing. Sitting up. SL43. Real nice. Oh Lord, it's like nice old car. So they got a system in this bad boy. I wonder did she see this? I know she did. Smoked out. I know this bad boy too. Exact same car she had. Same color. Except hers was newer, so had a newer Cadillac symbol on it. The exact same car though. There's nothing pretty much changed on it. It's got the turbo in it. Pretty decent on gas. We didn't put no rims on it or nothing. If she see this, she gonna be mad. I could have done something to my car. Which I wanted to do something with it, but the way I wanted to go with it was kind of expensive, but it would have put her in the game still. I always like the rose gold, and we was looking at some rose gold Corleones that I wanted to put on it, and wanted to gold out all the chrome, do a chrome delete, and some of the chrome turn it into rose gold. Yes, sir.
Hey man, I need you to one weekend you ain't doing nothing. Yeah, I need a highway shot.
A highway shot?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, cool. Ain't nothing. All right, I'm gonna be with you. All right, for sure. All right. Yeah.
He done left us and now here he come. What do you think he doing? He gonna say I'm in this seat. This dude is sweating.
That's what I be doing for that footage.
Y'all make sure y'all go like, subscribe, comment, and share. Because this dude over here is working hard.
Hey, they want me to do some highway footage of them rolling at Regal and what's the name, Dale? Yeah, I was shooting about the G-Body. He said whenever I have some time, hit him up.
Right. So we gonna go.
Hey, he did your lights on the Scat Pack. That same dude. They used to be black. That car used to be black. You remember? It was black. It had a couple of the purple one. It used to be black, and he had them big old 26s on the 24s and whatnot. Yep, the lights at the Cooper.
Oh.
He was the one that was in there doing it.
For real?
Yeah, because at first I didn't know. I was like, dang, he kind of reminded me of JD. And
what's up, Griffin family? We're back with another video. Jermaine ain't talking about nothing. Got a cigarette in his mouth. Yeah, you gotta promote. We gotta promote. It's not giving.
Not the beginning.
It's the middle, it's the end. What's up, Griffin family? Boiling. We're back with another video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and comment, and tell Ness it's alright, it's cool to keep saying what? Griffin family, boiling. We're back with another video.
Subscribe.
Share. Like.
Oh, and we see who's been sharing too. Really do appreciate those that share and those that take the time out to give out a comment. We do appreciate it, and we answer all our comments. Not to mention, we do appreciate the shares.
And I would like to say too, you know who I'm talking to tonight?
I don't know.
Anyway, my hair.
5 to 10?
Yeah, my hair, I gotta figure out something to do with it because it's getting on my nerves. But thank you for even noticing. I'm trying. It's hard to keep up out here. You know, I ain't young no more, but I'm better. So, yeah.
5 to 10, that's my pen pal. We don't get a chance to see each other, stay right around the block from each other. Don't even get to see each other, but we be on the text messages all night long, back and forth. That's my pen pal there. All we do is trade stories back and forth. He said it's too hot for him now. When the sun started going down, he gonna pull that 392 out on y'all, and y'all gonna see it. I'm gonna put it on the channel. But yeah, he said it's too hot. He comment on every video too. Wait a minute, there go a green one right there. Nah, that ain't him. Yeah, you see that AMG next to it? Got it nice. Did you see that one on the other side?
Oh, look how she got her hair. That's so cute.
Cowboy, they about to go home. They about to go home and watch the game, probably. Did you see the other car on the other side? Oh, I made comments on that one. Wait till what? No, not yet.
Plus, you could have met a whole bunch of people out here that's your age.
I'll become a cameraman.
You want to meet her? It's okay. That's cool. I need some friends. 5 to the 10 wives supposed to be hooking up with me and her, and we ain't did nothing yet, just like y'all ain't did.
Y'all might be cousins. That East Texas thing.
Okay. Let me pull my teeth down. I'm trying to take a picture. So what you gonna do, man? We gonna get some food?
If we do, we're gonna get it from
I know, spoon. Wait. They might need to see closer. Tell them that the Tooth Fairy came and gave you how much money?
Oh yeah, like for 1, 2, $14.
Wow.
But so I want to tell you this. You know how like you have like 1 tooth out, and you like put a straw through
Just
it?
give me something or give me and you something if you want something. But I'm sorry, Nancy, but yeah, so make sure you pull. Okay, you guys.
I tried to finish my trick.
Yeah, she wants to show you guys a trick. I have no idea what she's talking about, but here we go.
You know how like you take this out and then you like put your drop it?
Boring.
Applause, applause.
You can drink while you're
Woo! But that was kind of weird. It's a trick.
Without your tube, it's a trick. You can still do it without your tube.
I'm hungry. But then I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm surprised you didn't go over there and see what it was that you wanted to eat.
I'm going back out there because it's burning.
You know what I think? I think it's time for you to take swimming lessons. That way, when you're hot in the summertime, you can just jump in the pool and cool off. But a big butt. And Coco and Ari should go with you.
Wait, where?
They're moving up.
Just drop the top on it and watch him roll off. That's cool. Hopefully, remember subscribing. When you see your car, man, don't leave a comment and let them know who you are. That way they can come to your channel too, or anything you got going on.
Subscribe, you gon' see car content and family vibes. You better subscribe. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in. Subscribe to the channel.